Celebrating the true spirit of Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, a Maitri volleyball match was organized between the Border Security Force (BSF) and Border Guards Bangladesh (BGB) near BSF outpost Bahadur, 28th Battalion BSF under Southwest Garo Hills district to foster friendly relations between both the border guarding forces of the two neighboring countries. The match was played in the true spirit of sportsmanship and was competed in a healthy way against each other. About 500 locals from border areas participated and cheered both the teams. The civil population of the border expressed their joy and appreciated both BSF and BGB for creating such a congenial and cordial atmosphere on the international border, which will go a long way in creating friendly atmosphere amongst the border population. S.H. Inderjeet Singh Rana, IG BSF, Meghalaya, said that the theme behind holding such friendly matches is to infuse a sense of patriotism and national integration in the minds of the youth, and also to enhance the already existing peaceful and friendly atmosphere between the BSF and BGB.